What'd you get?
We got toys. Not toys, parts. Not even parts. What do you call this? This, in these boxes, is probably how many millions of truck parts would you say?
What?
Billions of truck parts.
I want to see what's in it.
Let's go open them up.
Will you come look with us?
Everyone's talking in here.
I'm not going out there. It's hot out there.
Oh, you're
It is actually really hot out there. Why are we going out there?
because it's beautiful.
It's 95 degrees in the top.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, thanks. Well, that's bullshit.
Let's go! I'm so excited for this badass.
What did you order?
We ordered one of the advanced kits, right?
From?
Dipyourcar.com. This is like everything you need to spray your car, apparently. Oh my god.
Oh shit. So we've been working with Fonzie, who runs dipyourcar.com. I believe he owns dipyourcar.com. And the reason we didn't get the color that we wanted is because Banker and Nate both and said it was going to look like a rolling turd going down the street.
We call it the turd line.
The turd line? Okay. But whatever, so we gave in. So we got the burnt copper orange. So literally the truck will be completely matte black, and then you add that top coat with the pigments in it, and that's what'll turn it to burnt orange.
Like your hair.
Yes. Burnt
Let's
orange.
go.
Burnt orange copper, or whatever.
Weesh.
We are going to try our absolute hardest to do this the right way. We are gonna make this thing cool, again, but so we have to pick and choose what we're actually gonna pull off and what we're gonna do.
It's gonna go just as well as Strange's truck did that we said we were gonna do ourselves.
We should get a different truck.
I'm in for that.
No, it's gonna go better.
You know, I don't think we've washed this thing once since we bought it. And every time we've gotten it dirty, every time we something up on it, it's just gotten progressively dirtier and dirtier, and the rain has just kept it clean. And I feel like now I'm like pressure washing all the memories of this thing away because we're totally changing it. It's gonna be a show truck now. Root beer. Rust speck, missing paint, missing paint. I feel like plastic is thick enough, it'll cover some of it.
It will.
Not like a wrapper will accent all of it.
Just be careful as you unroll that. Hey. There's like some sort of clip.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, weird. I've never seen that before.
These can't be, it's Ridgeline.
Yeah, people don't like the smoke visors fake. It's just you.
What the visors on everything at all
Corey,
times.
will you go get me a flathead screwdriver, please? Never mind, Banker has knives.
Okay.
We're doing gang shit out here.
How do you need to pop this out? Jared's getting a screwdriver. He just takes forever.
Yeah, I'm being impatient.
Junior is definitely not getting a screwdriver.
Looks like it has elf. It looks like there's
God.
goblins.
I can't get these off.
Just pull.
Yeah, what? That's so much.
Oh no.
What was that?
That was Corey just pulling. Jesus Christ!
Corey, I'm helping.
Just do it the right way. You're not helping. You're making more work.
It is faster. I couldn't even get the stupid stick in there.
Give me that.
Can you quit throwing it on the floor? I have to pull it and put it all away.
Makes for better content.
No, it doesn't. Here.
See, that was great content.
Go drive that thing through a cornfield and get the out of here.
Cornfield ability.
This should peel easier than any wrap you've ever peeled in your life. Really? Yes.
So he actually like one of the brand new spares.
Yeah, it's like his elite spraying system. He had been waiting on this for months, but this is like his brand new, top-notch, top-dog, fucking ultra, fucking super duty fucking spraying system. Yeah.
Oh, fancy.
Said it's the best system that they've had.
What shops usually use it?
So,
For installers?
Yeah, but I mean, it's so easy. Once it gets on thick, there is no up. It shouldn't have zebra striping. It shouldn't have any kind of striping. If you put it on thick enough, it should not fuck it up.
Thick though, and then it drips and runs. And
That's where you have a problem. Yeah, like if you don't know the motion, that's where you're up.
YouTube University, baby.
Yeah.
You can teach anything.
Nice.
Switch leg.
Brad's, I stole
82 inches from here to there. Who would have thought?
This thing's gonna look good.
Take this off. Yeah, I'm not trying to fucking break it,
They
Gary.
don't break it, they're just snap pins.
Those break all the time, Gary. It's a Honda.
It is a Honda.
It is a Honda. You did give me that. Okay.
Are you already in the mud?
Are you giving it a north?
Kinda. It's not working, it just wants to bend in the same spot. Dustin.
It's magic. You know. Never believe it's not so.
First ever Ridgeline NorCal right here.
Good news is this fender was absolutely
The other side was way sticky, stucker. Way more stuck.
No matter what color it turns out, it's still gonna be a beast because as it sits, it's a f***ing beast.
It's a show truck now.
It's gonna be a show beast. Jesus, that's the final countdown. All right, we're gonna call the Fonzarelli. You ready, Jared?
Oh yeah.
Fonzie.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We're 2 days into just getting this thing prepped for paint.
Okay.
Good news is we have a guy who's been painting for 15 years who's actually going to paint it.
Okay.
So about, what are you thinking, 6 coats of base, or give or take?
You don't need to count the coats. You're just going to put all the product on the truck.
So okay, so all the product that we have. Gotcha.
You know, dipping really comes down to masking more than anything.
Sure, yep.
So burnt copper is an awesome color. It looks great. It's super metallic, super saturated. But you didn't pick the easiest color to spray. You guys will be okay. So
What?
do the best you can and have fun with it.
Sounds good, man. Well, I appreciate you. All right.
I come in these.
That doesn't look like anything's in there. What the
Well, we're getting our first coats down on the Ridgeline, baby. This thing's gonna be sick when we're done with it.
driver's side NorCal looks better, driver's side dip looks better. It's got an ugly side and a good side.
I was thinking way more orange than what this is. And
Less copper.
yeah,
I mean, this is a rusted penny.
that looks hot.
Sorry. For what?
Ripping cap.
2 hiccups in the entire truck. We'll be fine.
Not perfect.
It never was.
Yep.
Never will be.
Mind you, there's still grass mounds hanging under this thing. You know, once we hit this and are moved on, I'll peel that and then I'll go to the window. I'm the peel god. I got this shit. Hey, can we plasti dip your arm and see if it peels? I hope your arm doesn't start burning.
Yeah.
I've accepted my fate.
This man is unmasking
Well, you're still painting. You have to.
It's a lot better than rental silver.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
There we go. It's done. Woohoo!
Oh, let me go touch it.
Give it a high five.
I need 5 more coats. 5 more coats.
'em. I like the color.
Yeah.
I don't think it matters what vehicle it is. In that color, it's gonna look good. That color's nasty. You guys did a good job picking that color.
Alright guys, so it's finally time to do something cool with the Ridgeline. We've got new headlights, cold air intake, a little bit of a lift kit, but we're gonna start because it's almost lunch with the easy stuff and I wanna leave. So we got some stock Honda taillights here, which really aren't bad looking, but we got some new taillights that are a little more Honda. I'm gonna transfer over the wiring harnesses and we're gonna throw these bad boys in, if I can find the hardware, because Jared has this tendency of taking things apart and just throwing the hardware. So we're gonna even see if we have bolts for these.
Oh god.
Steven's gonna love these because he used to be a big Honda guy back in the day.
I love Hondas, dude.
Alright.
It's time to be Lawson.
Oh.
Get my steps in.
God forbid we do it the right way, Chalk.
It's not how we roll it.
It's not how those guys over there roll at all.
Wait, these aren't even the right color.
Bruh.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
Whooshy!
Damn.
These are 2214 Vision Brawls. What are these? 3314 and a half?
Yep.
They
Baker.
look sick. Oh, dude, these are gonna be in. That's cool.
Okay, yeah.
See, Chalk's in now.
Like that.
Oh god, okay.
Center caps could make or break a wheel.
Center caps, so we can be safe.
That's perfect.
Yeah. It's like simple. It's like low pro.
Wheel, diameter, overall.
Gary, a 33 on a 22 is the same as a 33 on a 38, which is the same as a 33 on a 16. It's a 33-inch tall tire.
Okay.
I still have to put the lift kit in.
There's no rear lift kit.
Yes, there is. The whole, it's a 2-inch all the way around.
Let's go! That's gonna be sick.
Why are you taking the headlights out for the lift kit?
Because we have new headlights.
Oh.
What the f?
Dude, yeah.
So you have like a hexagon like projector in them?
Did you guys get the headlights in yet?
You mean these?
Ooh.
How's that going for you?
Phenomenal.
Wait, actually?
No, not actually. It's a little all of these bolts are really, really seized. Like, really seized. Like, we won't be able to align this, much less get it apart seized. 13's too small, 14's too big, 9/16 is too big.
You look like you got a headache, bud.
Yup.
Why?
Because these bolts are seized, so they're just rounding the heads
I'm
off.
gonna seize your bolt. Get some PB blaster and just spray it on there. Let it sit.
On the head?
Yeah, that's what my dad told me. Oh, there we go. A little closer. Half my thumb.
It's maxed out. Over. If you do that from the other side, you can get the bolt. There she is. Oh.
All right.
Oh, and then just gives it.
Should have made Dustin do this. Gary's living out his NASCAR fantasy back there.
I really am.
Nasty dip.
What lugs do you use for this, Junior?
But
wrong
lugs,
ones.
whichever one's fit, you just guess.
All right, so we have adapters on adapters with wheels on the ends of them because we needed adapters to go from the 5x120 bolt pattern the Ridgeline is
Okay, Junior.
to 5x5 for the original wheels, but I got wheels that are 5x5.5. So we added extra spacers in there, adapters in there as well to go from 5x5 to 5x5.5.
Which is not recommended.
So then what's the lug? It's all up, Gary. Just kidding. That one I have luggage for up here.
Huh?
Or we're gonna be able to fit the wheels in there, which is all that matters. So don't do any of this at home or at work, but we're here for your entertainment, I guess.
This wheel is sticking outside of the wheel well, bro. There's literally like this much is inside. No one's gonna have any idea that we did anything to this.
Yeah, this looks stock.
What are you talking about?
I don't know where it goes. I don't want to break any of these tabs.
She's camera shy. She literally hates cameras. Go 10, baby.
Oh yeah. Going through my head like a jet plane, going with the lights on. Turns out it started with a fight tonight. See me in the car going right to your door. 5 minutes later, I'm down on the floor.
All the drinks when you guys are thirsty, by the way.
It actually looks good.
Tuck it.
Let's go! Happy Friday!
Was that a freshie?
Yup!